Let's talk about how to organize your Google Drive. There are several things that I like to use when organizing my drive. One of my favorite things to use is to actually color code my folders. As you can see, some of my folders here, and I'm going to actually go to my starred for a minute. We'll come back to that. But as you can see, I have color coded some of them so that they easily pop out to me. It's a great visual that helps me quickly find my folders. Another thing that I like to do is to actually kind of force Google to put some of my folders at the top. One of the ways to do this is to add a special character. I like to use the little underscore. So if you put a special character or if you put a number at the beginning of your folder name, then that will put the folder up to the top. Same thing by using an emoji. So let me show you how I did that. So if I'm in here and I want to, we'll just go ahead and look at this one. I'm going to right click on the folder and I'm going to go to rename it. And when it opens, I can add an emoji to the front of it. I'll do this one. Let's just add a little smiley face there. Okay? So I can add that there into the front of it. By doing this, it actually tricks Google and puts it up to the top because Google is normally going to put them in alphabetical order. But by adding a number and a special character or an emoji in front of the name, it will move them up to the front. So do you see the special character came first? Numbers will also come up here, but the emojis will automatically put them at the top. Whereas you see here starts the alphabetical order of them. So that's what I like to do to get my folders to the top. Another thing that I love to use is starred. So let me click here where it says my drive and you'll notice that I have lots and lots of folders. What I like to do is important folders that I'm in all the time, I will add a star to, so that when I click on starred over here on the left-hand side, it will remove or hide from view all the other folders and only leave the ones that are with the stars. To do that, you just right-click on a folder and you say add to starred. Right now it says remove because I already have a star on there. So those are some of the tricks that I like to use. Another one that I will use a lot is the recent button over here on the left. By clicking on that, I can quickly see things that I was in today and yesterday and so forth and get right back into something that I was recently in. Okay. Another way to organize your drive, let me go back to start, is by putting them into folders. Now, one thing you can do is you can click and hold, and you see how it looks like it just popped off the page there. I can then drop this into a folder that I want to drop it into. I'm going to just let go of it and leave it there. So I do like to click and hold and drag and drop things into folders. Another thing that I can do is I can click on this little caret right here, and this will expose or expand all of my folders. And it's taken it a minute because I have so many. So you see my folders that are expanded. I can also click and hold and drag these loose documents and drop them into folders if I need to. So those are some great tips on how to organize your Google Drive.